Today in crypto news, we will look into the question: does Joe Biden support Bitcoin? So, what is Biden's opinion on Bitcoin? Bitcoin existed for a long time during Biden's career as a politician, who acted as both the vice president under Obama and as a U.S. senator. Nevertheless, he has never commented on either Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. Just like with Trump, the candidate's genuine opinion remains mysterious. Like with Trump, Biden's team of key team members can tell us more about his intentions. Will we see an even better administration with the so-called blue wave? Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen. However, can his nominees tell us something more? Former Fed Chairman Janet Yellen is the Treasury Secretary. Yellen will replace Steven Mnuchin, who became the 77th Secretary of the Treasury in 2017. As mentioned above, she has worked as the Fed chairman between 2014 and 2018 during a period of low inflation. Her statements imply that she is not a big fan of Bitcoin. However, we know that she once commented in 2015 that financial regulators should allow blockchain technology and crypto projects to grow. In 2017, the former chairman also stated that blockchain is a new technology that could have implications for how transactions are handled throughout the financial system. However, a statement from 2018 revealed that Bitcoin can only process a few transactions and that a majority of those transactions might be illegal. As the Treasury Secretary, Yellen would influence and manage the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, the Office of Foreign Asset Control, OFAC, the Internal Revenue Services, IRS, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. Indeed, Biden's nominee has a broad reach. More so, she can impact the future of Bitcoin more than any other candidate. Her statements disclose a fond trust of disruptive technology. However, her statements regarding Bitcoin are very concerning. At the present moment, it is unknown what Yellen thinks of Bitcoin and how she might design her crypto-focused policies. Speculations can only imply that Yellen would be forthcoming of blockchain technology but would outright deny Bitcoin. Financial Policy Transition Team, Gary Gensler. Apart from the future Treasury Secretary, there is one more individual that can affect the state of cryptocurrencies. In November, Joe Biden nominated Gary Gensler as part of the Financial Policy Transition Team. Gensler is a former chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, who has closely worked on the crypto market. In his next position, Gensler will carefully review the Federal Reserve and banking and securities regulators. Therefore, his opinion is considered to be of the utmost importance. On numerous occasions, Gensler supported the industry even when the U.S. Congress began to attack cryptocurrencies. The individual has urged politicians to not be hasty with regulating the market and to stop comparing cryptocurrencies with Ponzi schemes. In 2019, Gensler also called blockchain technology a change catalyst in an article for CoinDesk. Can we expect a more positive approach, at least from Gensler? He has pushed both Libra and XRP to be categorized as securities in the past few years. However, his stance towards Bitcoin and other leading crypto assets remains optimistic. Key crypto figures are optimistic about Biden's victory. In the end, it seems that a Biden victory is far more uncertain for Bitcoin. The views of Biden himself and his partners are not clear. Nevertheless, despite that, we see specific individuals within the community advocate for Biden as supportive of crypto. In December, Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire stated that the incoming Biden administration would be ultimately supportive of cryptocurrency because it represents a seismic shift as large as the commercial internet. For CNBC, Circle CEO stated that America will be even more competitive with Biden and that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies will play a vital role. Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of crypto exchange FTX, has also issued similar comments. We note that Fried has also financially supported the Biden team, donating $5 million. Are these opinions or facts? After all, we can only tell so much from the statements given by Biden's team. With so little information, we cannot rightfully say what Biden holds for the future of Bitcoin. SEC may change its mind regarding the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. After being denied for an ETF for so long by the SEC, financial asset management firm Bitwise has finally decided to withdraw its application in January 2020. For years, the company has applied for a Bitcoin-focused exchange-traded fund, ETF. However, despite working hard for it, the founders have only received disappointing news. However, the story did not end there. After consulting with the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, the firm finally launched the Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund in December. The index launched as an OTC market under the ticker BIT. According to the Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise, BIT was created for financial advisors. These advisors can now invest in a diversified index filled with the 10 leading cryptocurrencies. By launching a crypto index instead of a Bitcoin ETF, the company managed to escape the SEC's regulatory clutches. Nevertheless, the founder still aims to launch an official ETF after reaching common grounds with the regulatory agency. FINRA has shown its acceptance of cryptocurrencies by approving the index, but what about the SEC? The regulatory watchdog time and time again reveals mixed feelings. Will we see anything concrete? If the Bitcoin crypto index behaves well and the market participants share no complaints, the SEC will likely change its mind. If the institution were to accept a BTC ETF, the US's entire regulatory environment would forever change. But will it? Senators have revealed their Bitcoin investments. How fast is the crypto trend changing? Following the US elections, multiple senators have revealed their past Bitcoin investments to the public, including Cynthia Lummis. In November, Lummis openly stated that she is a proud Bitcoin owner who first invested in cryptocurrencies in 2013. She believes that digital assets hold great economic power and that they have the potential to fix financial scarcity and solve problems such as currency manipulation. The conservative Republican from Wyoming has served in the U.S. House of Representatives for 8 years. Now, she will become the first woman to represent Wyoming in the U.S. Senate. On several occasions, the senator revealed that Bitcoin is an excellent store of value and can help tackle the U.S. national debt. Lummis was applauded by many for her openness about the subject, as well as her support. With a Bitcoin supporter in the Senate, we can expect drastic changes to occur in the future. Whether other senators will follow Lummis in her path is still to be seen. Nevertheless, it is still great to see that leading political actors are revealing their Bitcoin investments. So what can we conclude? Within the last 4 years, we have already seen what a Trump term looks like. We also know that his partners have always presented balanced stances towards cryptocurrencies. With the new comptroller of the currency, we could potentially see an even better pro-Bitcoin approach in the US. On the other hand, Biden has not revealed that much, which will be his first time as the President of the United States. While Joe did not share his opinion about Bitcoin, some of his new team members did. The Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen supports blockchain technology. Furthermore, Gary Gensler is part of Biden's core transitioning financial team. As the former chairman of the CFTC, Gensler had a very proactive approach towards crypto. He even withheld politicians from pressuring cryptocurrencies too much. Nevertheless, despite his optimistic view, Yellen holds much more power in Biden's overall structure. While she may favor blockchain, the future Treasury Secretary is not keen on Bitcoin. Simply put, Trump's position is known by many. Biden, on the other hand, brings significant uncertainty in this industry. His team might be even better than Trump's, but what if this is not the case? Only time can tell what is better for Bitcoin, but for now, the current president may seem like a better option for most. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto content like this.